Month 2. Advanced Excavator Operations. Load Handling and Manipulation. Welcome to this informative lesson on load handling and manipulation. This course is designed to equip you with the necessary knowledge and skills to safely and effectively manage loads in your workplace. In this lesson, we will explore different types of loads, their unique characteristics, and the best techniques for handling them, including lifting, lowering, and swinging. Let's dive in. Load types and characteristics. Loads come in various forms, each with specific properties that influence how they should be handled. Here are some common load types. Solid loads. These are rigid and maintain a consistent shape. Examples include crates, boxes, and metal components. Liquid loads. These can be challenging to handle due to their ability to flow and change shape. They require careful handling to prevent spills. Granular loads, comprised of small solid particles like grain, sand, or gravel. These loads can shift easily. Gaseous loads, though not typically considered loads, gases in containers pose unique handling challenges due to pressure and expansion. Fragile loads, items like glass, ceramics, or electronics that require special care to prevent damage. Different loads demand specific handling techniques tailored to their characteristics. It is essential to assess the type of load before deciding on the appropriate handling method. Load characteristics. The characteristics of a load play a significant role in determining how it should be handled. Key characteristics include weight. The heaviness of the load influences its handling technique. Heavy loads require mechanical aids like forklifts or hoists. Size. The dimensions of a load can affect its stability and ease of movement. Shape. Odd-shaped loads may need special supports or grips to move safely. Center of gravity. Understanding where the weight is centered helps in maintaining balance during transport. Fragility. Fragile loads necessitate gentle handling and occasionally additional protective measures. Stability. Stable loads are less likely to tip over, reducing the risk of accidents. Identifying these characteristics allows workers to tailor their handling approach to maximize safety and efficiency. Load handling techniques, for example, lifting, lowering, swinging. Proper handling techniques are crucial to avoid personal injury and damage to the load. These techniques include lifting techniques. Plan the lift. Assess the load and prepare the area before attempting to lift. Use your legs, bend at the knees, not the waist, and use leg muscles to lift gradually. Maintain close proximity. Keep the load close to your body to reduce strain. Use mechanical aids. Employ tools like hoists, cranes, or dollies for heavy or awkward loads. Avoid twisting. Pivot with your feet instead of twisting at the waist. Lowering techniques. Controlled descent. Lower a load steadily by bending your knees. Clear placement. Ensure the landing area is spacious and stable before setting down the load. Gradual release. Do not drop the load. Release it slowly to prevent sudden shifts. Swinging techniques. When handling loads that need to be swung or turned, it's important to follow these guidelines. Secure the load. Ensure the load is firmly secured to prevent accidental detachment. Controlled movements. Move the load slowly and avoid sharp, abrupt motions. Caution with momentum. Be aware that swinging loads gain momentum. Control the swing with calculated motions. Common load handling equipment. Multiple machines and tools assist in the safe handling of loads, such as forklifts, widely used for transporting heavy goods over short distances. Cranes, employed for lifting and moving loads vertically and horizontally within a specific area. Pallet jacks, used for lifting and moving pallets in a warehouse. Hoists allow vertical lifting of loads using a system of pulleys and chains. Safety precautions. Following safety protocols is vital when handling loads. Consider these precautions. Wear appropriate gear. Use helmets, gloves, and steel-toed boots to protect against hazards. Inspect equipment. Regularly check machines to ensure they're functioning properly and safely. Be aware of surroundings. Stay alert to potential dangers like obstacles or unstable surfaces. Communicate clearly. Use hand signals or radios to coordinate movements with colleagues. Follow weight limits. Abide by load capacity limits set for equipment to avoid overloading. Incorporating videos and images. Visual aids such as instructional videos or images can significantly enhance the learning experience by demonstrating techniques in action. As you can see in the videos, that techniques are explained, such as lifting and swinging loads, to provide a clear visual reference. Conclusion? In this lesson on load handling and manipulation, we have explored various load types, their characteristics, and effective techniques for managing them safely. By understanding these elements, employees can reduce the risk of injury and damage in the workplace. Always remember to assess the load, choose the appropriate handling method, and adhere to safety protocols for optimal performance. Keep practicing these techniques and utilize available resources like videos and equipment to enhance your skills further. Safe handling leads to efficient operations and a safer work environment. Thank you for engaging with this lesson. Here is a summary of advanced excavator operations with load handling and manipulation. Advanced load handling techniques. 1. Precision loading. Load materials with precision and accuracy. 2. Tight space maneuvering. Maneuver the excavator in tight spaces to load or unload materials. 3. Load stabilization. Stabilize loads to prevent shifting or falling during transport. Load manipulation techniques. 1. Load rotation. Rotate loads to position them for placement or loading. 2. Load tilting. Tilt loads to position them for placement or loading. 3. Load placement. Place loads with precision and accuracy. Advanced excavator operations. 1. Demolition and deconstruction. Use the excavator for demolition and deconstruction projects. 2. Heavy lifting and placement. Lift and place heavy loads with precision and accuracy. 3. Trenching and excavation. Use the excavator for trenching and excavation projects. Safety considerations. 1. Load calculation. Calculate loads carefully to avoid overloading the excavator. 2. Stability and balance. Ensure the excavator is stable and balanced during load handling and manipulation. 3. Hazard recognition. Identify potential hazards on the job site and take steps to mitigate them. Hey folks, this is how we come to the end of the lesson on advanced excavator operations with load handling and manipulation. Thank you for staying up to the end of this lesson. See you again in the next lesson. Happy learning, folks.